Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lemonade without soda. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and clean water. Choosing ripe, firm lemons is key for maximum juice and flavor. Using filtered water also ensures a pure, refreshing taste in your homemade beverage. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get that wonderful lemon juice. Roll your lemons firmly on a counter before cutting them in half. This helps release more juice. You'll need the juice from about 6 to 8 medium lemons. Next, prepare your simple syrup by dissolving 1 cup of granulated sugar completely in an equal amount of hot water. This ensures a smooth, sweet base. With your juice and simple syrup ready, it's time to combine everything. Mix the fresh lemon juice with your cooled simple syrup and then add about 3 to 4 cups of cold water. Stir well. Now, taste your lemonade and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your preference. Finally, chill it for at least 30 minutes for the best refreshing experience. Your homemade lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Serve it over plenty of ice in tall glasses. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. You can also add some fresh berries, like raspberries or blueberries, for a burst of color and additional flavor. Enjoy your perfectly refreshing, soda-free drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.